Alright, back in the bedroom area, and I have disassembled my bed and unfolded the passenger side bench back up so that I can get in here into the water pump hole. So I can try and figure out what the heck is going on with it not making pressure. And just when I'd hit the switch, it wouldn't do nothing. And again, I had been having to deal with this thing like you would an old failing starter for a motor, and kind of coming back to the back of the coach and stomping on the floor to get it to go. It would run a little bit and quit, or it just wouldn't kick on at all. Fully expecting that the pump had died, I went and grabbed another one off of an old defunct Gulfstream pull behind and checked it, and it worked. It's the same kind of pump. And check that out. There is the manufacturer's date on that one. It was 99. So it was replaced when the tank and all that stuff was replaced. But I got to check in and look in. Let me see if I can hold my light and my phone at the same time here. And was looking at the wiring and whatnot, and sure enough, what did I find? My hot wire. The damn connector had corroded off of the end of the hot wire. So I touched it to the terminal, and the pump works, and it makes pressure. So how about that? So I just need to put me a new female spade connector on that guy and dig the bad broken spade connector out of the pump here, and situation is fixed. But for now, I can do what I need to do by just stuffing that back in there, wedging it into the connector, and I should have water. And I can like flush my toilet and stuff. And it is pumping. Yay! My toilet's got a dang leak on the valve. I don't know if the mount is broken. The seal just ain't sealing. I need to probably just replace the damn thing. I mean, it's the original. But hey, we got water again. Yay! That was relatively easy. And my coach is still a freaking wreck from the move and not having water, so I couldn't do dishes and whatnot. But that's the replacement out of the Gulfstream Seahawk that is just a derelict at this point. It's scrap. But it still had the pump in it. But this one is actually from 97. A little bit older, but it's the exact same freaking part number, same pump, same pressure, 45 psi, 4 gallons a minute. Oh, see, amps, 4 amps, 2.8 gallons a minute. I mean, the same pump. So, and I did test it with one of my batteries back in the back there, and it works. At least the motor spins and it tries. So I'm assuming the diaphragm is okay. It had been sealed, but hey, spare pump. How about them apples? Didn't even need it.